I want to butcher your name, but good evening. If I heard right, this vehicle hit a curb up on Pinion Hill. I mean, Pinion Street. Looks like they're gonna make her do the field sobriety. She must be the one that was driving. This is Misty Speedway. That's 30 Martinez there. Appreciate the follow. Appreciate you guys tapping, gifting, reposting, sharing, supporting.
I may be wobbly because it does that every day.
This is a cop watching live. John Baca, appreciate the Sax appeal gift. Much appreciated, Joanne. Another shout out to Joanne Baca. Nelson Vaughn, welcome in. I see. Baca again, thank you for the gift. Much appreciate it. Love the Martinez's flashlight out of his hand. Dirty Martinez. Uh-oh. Gotta make sure the pants is pulled up. Take a deep breath. Donnell there. John Baca. Thank you for the gift, Joanne.
Sorry, I'm smart at it. Okay, rock top. Can you give me a number? Like first.
I guess somebody called him in. following them, and I think they hit. And I think they hit a curve on Pinion Street.
Hey, no, yeah, you were late. Sorry.
Colorado native angel for the race. This is
We're not ready. You gave me instruction first, so when you come ready, I'm waiting on your ready. Oh, you're the one supposed to be like, how many more do you do?
Hey, what's going on?
It's a lot of popcorn for one girl.
Yeah, they had three. There's that guy there, and they had one more. They let her go. I don't know if she was a witness or what. They had 3 people here.
3 cars?
No, 3. That guy over there, her, and they let one go. I don't know if one was a witness or they just let her go.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So you watch my lives?
You can do it!
You cheer her on?
No, the cashier's watching.
Oh, really?
I believe in you.
She said she's ready and she's waiting for Martinez to be ready.
Huh?
She said she's ready and she's waiting for Martinez to be ready.
Martinez fucking hates my ass.
Really?
Yeah.
Dirty Martinez? Yeah, he's well known. So you know who I am, right?
No.
No, 4 Corner Fist in the air.
Oh,
That's-
okay.
yeah,
that's you.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I've seen you. Harass
Yeah.
the police.
Right.
You just at the right time at the right place. I think she passed. I know.
Martinez knows you?
Yeah. Unfortunately.
Is he giving you a couple tickets? More than a couple? I think he's pretty much given almost everybody in Farmington a ticket.
I think that he illegally stalks me and harasses me. And a lot of people, honestly.
Yeah, that's why I call him Dirty Martinez. There's a story behind.
Yeah, and
why I
he
call him.
literally has sex with people for them not to get in trouble. Yeah, look that up, Farmington Police Department.
That's the reason why I call him Dirty Martinez.
Look at that raccoon. Look, he was supposed to.
Shit, I know. Is that how they sound? Is that how they talk? Oh, yeah.
I like their little hair. Sorry. Nice to meet you.
You too. Oh, shit. Joy, good evening. Colorado native angel, thank you for the roses. Good evening, Judith Rodriguez.
Fire! Okay, so I may have
What's up, Tony Knight? See you here. Thank you for the live gifts. Oh, yeah, appreciate the live gifts, Tony Knight. So this is Vista Speedway, Farmington, New Mexico. That's the last thing they usually pull out, breathalyzer, and on top of that, they'll probably take them to the hospital to get blood drawn. I guess it's they got caught driving, and they're trying to figure out that she's just having a fun time with Dirty Martinez there. They're trying to figure it out. They're giving her the sobriety, the field sobriety test. What do you guys? Misha, thank you for the live gift. What do you guys think? You think she failed it from the start? How do you guys think she's doing so far? Keepers, Fun B, thank you guys for the gifts. Yeah, it looks like she's gonna take a back seat ride. Back in the unit to county, obviously. Misha, thank you for the gifts. She's feeling so good that she's just having a good time over there with Dirty Martinez. Colette, thank you for the hard me. It's that purple. I think it's purple. Looks purple. Car there. Now the breathalyzer. Is she blowing it? Oh, he's getting it ready. Lena, please don't use that word here. Appreciate it. He's on the live. This is Pistai Speedway, the X. Here we go. I'm telling her to go harder. Shorty Rose. Thank you for the gift. Colorado Native Angel, thank you for the rose. Furry One, okay, right on. Right on, Furry One. Shout out to Furry One. Yep, she's going. Probably do twice the legal limit. This is a town called Farmington in New Mexico. Talia, thank you for the rose.
Show me the numbers? No, you fucking, no, you couldn't even show the numbers. Show the numbers. Show the numbers. Where are they at? Where the fuck are they?
Easy, Martinez is trying to spread her legs, kick her legs apart. You see, he knows I'm here. He knows that we're watching. In incidents like this, with the camera, if we were right here, I'm pretty sure he would have got a little more rough with her. He would have probably threw her to the ground. Yeah, so best thing for her to do is just, she's in handcuffs now, is not resist. For sure she's gonna get a resisting charge now. Colorado native Angel. Albert. I think he got 50 years.
Fuck you, Doug. You have time to snitch on me.
Dude, with a title gift to Colorado native Angel. That's AKA Dirty Martinez right now. Sammy from the Hartley. Got the alternative van here.